So I installed some new keypads in my house the other day. Looks like I forgot some pieces though. Wife's in for a shock. Hey everyone, I'm Justin Blair, CTAC Lighting Controls. Thanks for tuning in today to CTAC Studios. So a couple of days ago, I was talking with a friend of mine, and his complaint about lighting controls was that they're just too complicated. So today, I'm excited to share with you one of my favorite systems, and that is Sensorworx Wireless. Sensorworx was established officially in 2017 by experts with decades of experience in the lighting control industry, with the goal to bring updated technology to the left-behind antiquated sensors and switches. While Sensorworx has a wide variety of offerings, today we're going to focus on Sensorworx Wireless. Sensorworx Wireless is ideal for labor-sensitive retrofit projects and new construction. With a simple to program power pack providing 20 amps of control and 0 to 10 volt dimming, and an option for low voltage connectivity, and the ability to connect to 50 remote devices with a single power pack, you begin to see why Sensorworx Wireless is just common sense. Beyond the wireless power pack, Sensorworx provides wireless sensors from daylight to occupancy. So when I'm talking about a daylight sensor, right? A lot of times when we get to these simpler systems, you can do maybe step dimming, right? Maybe 50% dimming. But with Sensorworx, we can do continuous daylight dimming, right? With the wireless sensor, okay? Connecting that to a wireless power pack. In addition, I can do wall-mounted, corner-mounted, ceiling-mounted occupancy vacancy sensors. 10-year battery life. That's incredible, especially from a wireless system where you don't need a hand to program it. You don't need to get the system all sorts of complicated, give yourself extra labor in the field, say, or hey, maybe you're on the engineer side, you're just trying to put together a quick, simple solution. Why would I go through a whole complicated system if all I really need is maybe a few offices with some occupancy sensors, some plug load control? Why would I make it more complicated than I need to? If I can stick with something as simple as Sensorworx Wireless, why not? All right, you've heard me talk about how simple this is to program. Why don't we actually do that? From the power pack, I'm going to start with the pairing button. It's the only button on the power pack, so you can't get it confused. I hold this button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now my power pack is in pairing mode. I can pair up to 50 wireless devices with this power pack. Don't forget that. Then I go to my wall station, my wireless wall station, and I'm going to hold the pairing button for the wireless wall station as well. Now, if I want to, I can take this power pack out of pairing mode, but I want to add my occupancy sensor as well. So I'm going to go to my occupancy sensor. There's a single button here to pair this sensor. I'm going to hold it. Done deal. My sensor is also programmed to this power pack. The last step that I need to do is take this power pack out of pairing mode. Press the button once, it's now out of pairing mode. Now, all I have to do, take my wall station, press the on button, my light's on. Pretty cool, huh? One of the questions I get asked a lot when it comes down to sensors and wall stations is, what are my finish options? Well, let me tell you, when it comes down to the sensors, you got white. When it comes down to your wall stations, you got your light almond, you got your ivory, you got your gray, you got your white. See? Tons of options. So coming up real soon here in the next couple of months, phase dimming power packs, phase dimming wall stations. That means that you can use that decorative light fixture that you've always wanted to use in that space and still program it well, wireless, and actually be able to use it and make it look nice. That's awesome, right? Also coming up real soon here, time clock control. Time clock control for Sensorworx Wireless. That's something we have not been able to offer, but now you can meet that time clock requirement for your project using Sensorworx Wireless and still not get all clunky with some crazy head end. And then to really top it off, Sensorworx Wireless is bringing out a dual tech wireless occupancy sensor. And when I say wireless, I'm not just talking about the communication and being able to pair that with a power pack. I'm talking the installation. So now you can take and meet that dual tech requirement for that space and not have to run any low voltage wiring over there to power that sensor, no line voltage, nothing. I can literally walk in there with this sensor, I can mount it on the ceiling, and I can give dual tech capability to a space and cover that requirements. How cool is that? Let's see the competition do that one. All right, so I've shared with you one of my favorite systems, Sensorworx Wireless. We've talked about the easy pairing capabilities, the different color options for the devices, the different capabilities for the devices, not to mention what's coming up soon. So if you have any questions at all, please, please, please reach out to your CTAC sales representative.
Hey everyone, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos.